Hi guys! Welcome back again to my channel! Yes, it's Bibi over here, and yes, today's another episode of learning how to speak Ilongo with me, baby. Okay, let's go! Okay guys, so on the previous video I told you there's nothing really formal about that video anyway, but I do hope that you get something from that. I mean, in the same when I say formal is that I don't really have notes for that one, but this time I will have a structure for our lesson for today. And today it's about asking others. Asking others. I mean, when you start a conversation, right? It all started with hi, hello, and in the previous video we learned that we don't really have equivalent of hi and hello in Ilongo. So for example, you want to say hi, hello. Why my voice is like that? Okay, anyway, hi. You want to ask what is your name? Or why do I have a tone? Okay, may I know what is your name? No, see, I'm not really good at asking strangers because I never really ask strangers. Strangers often ask me. So, okay, say you want to ask them, right? So you can say what is your name? You can ask them in Ilongo ano imong ngalan? Ano imong ngalan? Ngalan ko si Bibe. Ngalan ko si Bibe. Or, ang akong nga ngalan ay si Bibe. Well, you can just replace that Bibe for your real name if you want to. That's a nickname, but the sentence would be ang akon nga ngalan ay si, then your name. Ask names. Okay, next you will be how old are you? How old are you? But for me, I don't like that. But anyway, you prefer to ask that how old are you? So in Ilongo, you can say pila na imong edad? Pila ka na katuig? So pila is how much. It's not really how much. You can also say it in how much, but it's money. But when you say pila, it's how old. So depending on the sentence. So pila na imong edad. Na is which number? It's your age. Like that. Pila na imong edad. And then I will say, ang akon edad ay 34. Or 34 na akon edad. 34 na akon edad. Where do you come from? You can say it in Ilongo ano imong country? Yeah. Bansa. Yeah. Bansa is a country. What's the Ilongo? Sorry, I forgot. So you can say sa diin ka nga lugar halin. Sa diin ka nga lugar halin. Ano imong country? Taga Pilipinas ko. Or halin ako sa Pilipinas. But let's say that but anyway, let's just skip that. It's very complicated. I just realize it now. Because you know what, guys? We are using Taglish. So if we are Ilongo, we say we are using Ilonglish. Ilonglish. Oh my god, that's so hard. Anyway, you can say where do you live? So you can say sa din ka Gaistar. It's the same thing. Yeah. So but when you say din ka Gaistar or where do you live, it's specific which city. Taga Iloilo ako sa probinsya sang Guimaras. Or taga Guimaras So, halin means I'm from, and taga means in. So it's like within the city of, in the city of, like within the city, within the province. Taga, like specific, like I'm from Guimaras, I'm from Iloilo. So taga and halin. What is your phone number? Oh my god, that is too formal. Is it like I'm a boss asking, like, what is your phone number? Write it here on the resume. No, it's not like, may I know your number, please? You can say, pwede ko makuha imong numero? Pwede ko mangayo imong numero? Let's just say mangayo because makuha is like get, but mangayo is like more on your asking for it sincerely. So, pwede ko mangayo imong numero? Ari ang akon nga numero. Ari ang akon numero. It translate as, here is my mobile number, or here is my phone number. So, ari ang akon numero. You wanted to ask like, what do you do for a living? Right? So, you can say, ano imo ubra? Ano imo ubra? So, in answering the question, you can state your profession. For example, you're a teacher. You can say, isa ako ka maestra. Maestra is teacher. Or you can say, isa ako ka doktor. It's obvious, doctor. Bus driver. Isa ako ka bus driver. Or isa ako ka jeepney driver. Or isa ako ka inhinyero. Let's say that person is still studying, right? You can ask like, where do you study? You can say in Ilongo, sa diin ka ga eskwela? Sa diin ka ga eskwela? And then, so you can answer this question in Ilongo as, nag-eskwela ako sa Salvacion. Nag-eskwela ako sa Salvacion. Nag-eskwela ako sa Salvacion Elementary School. Or, nag-eskwela ako sa Salvacion National High School. Naga means it's now. It's now. I am currently like that. Just like that. And again, are you married? Kasal ka na bala? And then, do you have a BF? May nubyo ka na? Do you have a GF? May nubya ka na? You can say, if you are married, oo, kasal na ko. Oo means yes, kasal is married. But if you are single, you can say, dalaga pa ko. Dalaga pa ko. That's for a girl. And if you are a boy, you can say, soltero pa kuya. Soltero pa kuya. Means I am single. That's all for today. That's all for today. That's all for today. That's all for today. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you guys really learned from me. I don't know, I'm not a good teacher. That's why I never take that course because like I don't know if I fit into this. I don't know if my student will learn, but I hope you do. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment. Please don't forget to give this video a like and please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of this video. You want, right? You want? And hit that notification bell button because you will get notified each time I upload a new video. That's it. And now it's shout out time. Shout out to my friends. Yes, shout out to my friends. My friends. They are my friends. My friends. My friends. They are Thank you so much guys for watching and see you again.